Crude oil, daily forecast, April 4th, FXEmpire.com. The light sweet crude market, as you can see, came undone, quite frankly, during the session as we saw the marketplace react to a larger than anticipated inventory number in the United States. This, of course, has a massive effect on the supply and demand picture, and as a result, you can see that we did, of course, sell off. Looking at this, it appears that we have not only sold off uh, through the range that we had been talking about previously, but we have broken two hammers to the downside, which, of course, is basically a dual hanging man. If that's the case, there's nothing good that can come of that for the um, buyers at this point. Because of this, we think that probably the best way to play this, and there is going to be a bit of concern here at the 94 level because, quite frankly, there should be a lot of noise there. But having said that, we think that more than likely the easiest way to play this, at least, is going to be selling rallies as they show up. This market, more than likely, will continue to be bearish overall with a candle like this and this technical signal, but we think eventually we will settle into a level, and it might be formed at 98 now at the top and 90 at the bottom. This area here could cause some problems, but overall we think the sentiment has definitely shifted negatively during the session, and enough that, quite frankly, we are going to have to watch this market very closely over the next couple of sessions, especially with non-farm payroll coming tomorrow. The Brent market's a little bit easier to discern exactly what's going on because, quite frankly, we sliced through the entire range and landed and just basically crashed right at the 107 level. Kind of makes you wonder if the day was a little longer had they been able to break it. We think that a bounce from here is possible. I mean, after all, we did sell off quite drastically, but that bounce more than likely will produce a selling opportunity higher. We think that eventually this market does break down quite a bit, but we are going to sell rallies between now and then. Brent certainly seems to have taken the brunt of this sell off during this session as it closed down about 3.4%, as opposed to light sweet crude, which only, and I do say that in quotations, 3% for the day. So, having said that, it does look like this market may be the first one to fall apart. Keep an eye on this. If we close substantially below 107, that's enough to get aggressive to the downside.